Hey guys, how's it going? This is a quick tutorial on Framer, how to add videos to your landing pages. So Framer's made some really awesome updates this past year. Now, when you're first building your page, especially if you're on a free account, Framer will give you a video upload limit of 5 MB, which can be problematic, especially if you have a longer video or your video is just a very big file. In the past, I would have to compress the video, but now you no longer need to do that. So I have here the video frame. The video is here. Now, this video, I did have to compress it. But now what they've had is, which is even better, is if you put your video on YouTube, you can upload any file size and it'll just compress it. It'll keep the quality. It'll keep all the things you need, all the data you need in the video. So instead of like just having the video as is, this thing is annoying. Go here, like my video is here. But what I can do instead is insert. Now they've just got the YouTube element. Put that in here. With this now, I do this, so they've already got the video embedded right here. So we go here to edit it. I'm gonna do visible, autoplay on, and you know what, let's actually do loop. So it's gonna start the radius. This was 15. It's more modern to just have a bit of a radius, so I'm gonna keep this 15 as well. And now I have my same VSL, it's on YouTube. So I'm gonna copy this, insert it here, and done. That's it. So same video. I don't know if you can tell if the quality is a bit different. Well, this one's might still be loading from the YouTube, but we got it here just like this. And yeah, what I'll do here is I'll just make it wider. This was what this is, 590 by 313. So let's do 600. To 320, and then yeah, we'll just delete this, and yeah, boom, right there. And it's cool too. Now this is even better because if you do have a YouTube channel, you're building more sales assets on your YouTube, which all people should be doing in this age, then they can just easily click the YouTube, watch it on YouTube, and that's it. Way more efficient. It's way better for your brand and business as a whole. So yeah, hope you guys found that helpful.